viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So guys, today we are going to discuss about withdrawal. If you have a balance in your Ethereum wallet, so how can you withdraw? This is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving you complete information, so please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join our other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here we have already uploaded 3 shorts in our YouTube channel. If you want to like more shorts, so you just simple comments below this video. I must read your comments and I will make shorts about new cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, so now you can see here our YouTube channel is open in front of me. If you need to withdraw amount from your Ethereum wallet, because in last video we have discussed how to deposit amount in your Ethereum wallet, but today we are going to withdraw amount. Simple is that you just simple go to the click on icon of Ethereum Google Chrome extension and then just enter your password here. I'm going to enter password here. I have entered my password here and click on unlock. Now my wallet is going to unlock. You can see here my wallet is unlocked, and if I'm going to click on Ethereum blockchain, so now you can see here there is not any balance. There is shown zero balance, means I have not a balance. But this video is only for education purpose. Let's suppose you have a balance in your wallet. If you have a balance and you need to withdraw from your account to other wallet or other exchange, so what will you do? You will do simple is that just open your send option. There is shown send option, and then enter your wallet address. So let's suppose I'm going to open my Atomic wallet and I need to withdraw amount from Ethereum wallet to Atomic wallet or any exchange. First I need to get my wallet address. So I'm going to find my wallet address first from Atomic wallet, and then now you can see here my wallet is going to open. My Ethereum Atomic wallet is open in front of me. I'm going to search Ethereum wallet. You can see here our fifth number is shown Ethereum. Simple click on it, and then there's shown 2 buttons, send or receive. I need to withdraw from my Ethereum Google Chrome extension and I need to deposit in my Atomic wallet, so I will click on receive button. When I click on receive button, there's shown the QR code and also there is shown my wallet address. So if you have your mobile and install the application of QR code scanner, then you can just simple scan this QR code and your wallet ID will be automatically shown in front of you in your mobile. But I am using this time on laptop, so what will I do? I just simple click on wallet ID, or just you can simple copy option. When you click on copy and then again go to your wallet, which is we have opened in our browser extension, and then click on send button and simple paste here your wallet address. When you paste your wallet address, and you can see here send to my wallet address, and let's suppose you want to send money. If you have a balance in 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum or more amount, let's suppose I'm going to enter just 1 Ethereum. There is not any balance, so that there is shown red 1, means I have not balance. But you can use same scenario which is I'm going to tell you in this video. First you need to copy your wallet address and paste here, and this is your wallet address from, and two wallet address, this wallet address of Atomic Wallet where I want to receive money, and there select the Ethereum because I need to use Ethereum blockchain. Okay, and then you just enter amount. Let's suppose 0.01 Ethereum, and if you are going to send 0.01 Ethereum, and you can see here the amount of $18 of this time of 0.01 Ethereum, and there is fee, $2.73 fee cut from your account, and the time will consume for transaction complete 2 minutes. And you can also select the higher priority. If you are going to higher priority use, so you will charge 0.607, high priority 0.2506, and economical 0.19. That's only depend on you which priority you will use for withdrawal amount from your account. So simple is that. After that, just simple cross, and after enter your amount, if you have balance, then the send button will be highlighted from front of you. Just simple click on send button, and then your transaction will be uh, fulfilled after confirmation. You just simple click on send button, and your amount will be deducted from your Ethereum wallet, and you will receive amount in your Atomic Wallet. Yes, Atomic Wallet or any other wallet like on any other exchange like Binance, KuCoin, OKX, X. Simple click on your wallet, and you will be receive amount in your this wallet, and your fund will be shown on this option. Okay viewers, so viewers, I hope you properly understand. If you need to withdraw amount from your Ethereum wallet or Google Chrome extension, and you need to deposit on any exchange or any wallet, you can use same scenario which is I told you on this video. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me, my email address crypto wallets info, and you can also comments below this video. I will read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So must subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your family and friend, and in last way please go to my YouTube channel and click on video portion. You can see here the video portion. You can see here we have already uploaded almost 10 to 12 videos about Ethereum wallet, and the famous videos like how to get the backup of your phrases, how to import your private key in your Ethereum wallet, how to reset your Ethereum wallet, and how to recover your wallet. All videos are very helpful for you if you are going to use the Ethereum wallet or Ethereum Google Chrome extension. It's depend on you. Just simple visit this YouTube channel and get all information about cryptocurrency wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.